The Sourdough for Busy Moms course is a comprehensive video course designed for anyone living a busy life. Moms, dads, grandmas, grandpas, students, uncles, you name it. As an incredibly busy mom, I learned how to bake frustration-free sourdough bread on a consistent basis. And those lessons that I had to learn the hard way are now helping thousands of incredibly busy home bakers achieve success the easy way. This course is perfect if you're looking to fast forward to success. Whether you've never baked before or you're just trying to make consistent results with your sourdough, this video course will not only walk you through every step of the process, but it will also help you get reliable results by learning how to own the sourdough process. So stop fighting with the sourdough starter that doesn't act the way that it should, or with flatbread that comes out with no oven spring, or sticky dough that's incredibly hard to shape and handle, or those burned bottoms that you're getting from your oven. It's so frustrating. The Sourdough for Busy Moms course will not only give you all the tools you need to be successful, but it will also teach you how to work sourdough around your busy life. I designed 10 course chapters full of videos and printable resources to help you own the sourdough process. Learn how to make customizations to make sourdough fit your kitchen, your ingredients, and your life. And this way, you can avoid the most common sourdough challenges. And best of all, you don't even have to do this alone. The purchase of a Sourdough for Busy Moms course includes one free gift course. So that means you can give it to a friend and do it together. Because just like sourdough, this course is best when shared. So join me on this fast track to sourdough success. Let's work together to remove the sourdough frustration, the intimidation, the complexity, and let's get you baking great sourdough on a consistent basis.